Okay, so let's start. What is the current solution of our given problem? Okay, so let's say suppose we have ABC company, ABC company who deals in restaurant services. Okay, and it bills the customer on spot basis. Like whenever the customer places the order, it bills the customer at the spot. Now let's say suppose if there are 100, let's say suppose if financial transactions, or let's suppose hundreds of bills will be raised in a given day, so there will be 100 of financial transaction in a given day. Why that so? Because it will involve inflow and outflow of the money during during that day. So there will be 100 of transactions in the given day if the company bills the customer on regular basis. Followed by that, such financial transaction will be needed to be recorded, because unless and until those transactions will be recorded, there will be no usage of the accounting division within the company. So to get a data that how the business is growing, how the business is doing, we need to record those transactions also. Okay. Followed by that, we will post those transactions into ledgers. How will we post? How do we post? When will we post? When not to be post? So these matters we will discuss later on when we will face advanced problems. But as of now, this will be uh, a high level detail. Like there are many of the transaction which leads to either a debit balance or a credit balance. So for every account, there need to be uh, let's say relevant number of transactions which show the debit balance or a credit balance. Like it's a high level detail. It's a high level detail which show the all the transactions related to one party. Now whenever we do posting, to get a summarized point, to get the picture very clear, we prepare the summary of the of all the ledgers. So where do we post? Where we post to the ledgers. After the posting, we get a summary. Okay. How do we get the summary? Through the trial balance. Okay. Followed by that, what we get? We get the financial statements. And financial statements is itself is a very summarized forms, like summarizing thousand and we can say billions of transaction into a single variable. So in a nutshell, we can say a financial accounting information provide many of the persons like employees, owners, investors, government agencies, legal authorities, summarized financial information, so that they can extract so then they can extract what type of information will be relevant to them, and what to act upon them and how to act upon them. Okay. Okay, so the correct choice. Okay, one more thing I need to clarify, that you can draw this diagram too in your notebook, so that you can get a clear picture after the or before the exams. Okay, so correct choice for the given problem is D. Like it summarizes the information what has happened so far. Okay, that's all for the solution. Thank you.